This how I start my days, man. Get my walk on, get the blood flowing, make sure I focus on staying healthy out here. Got too many people depending on me. Ain't nobody gonna give you nothing out here, man. Wake up every morning and go get it. You see me on that beach later, I'm gonna take you to the lab with me and we gonna get it popping. Peace, love, and life, baby.
I done made a way for myself.
Every place I go is motivation, man. Out here in LA, the sun will do it for you. I came from nothing, now I'm out here making money, making beats. Money off music is possible, baby. It's your boy, let's go. Sometimes you come to the mall and don't find nothing, man. It's all good. You didn't find nothing in there today. When you walk through the mall and you're like, man, I got all this shit. I guess that's a good problem. You did? Yeah, what's happening? Sometimes, you know, you gotta get a peace of mind every once in a while, man. I be in the studio so much, be in LA dealing with that city shit. Sometimes you just gotta take a break, man. Get out to someplace a little bit more peaceful, you know what I'm saying? Nice, beautiful day. I might come up with some bars or think about my next beat session. Think about life, making something happen, you know, away from all the rhetoric of the day-to-day, you know what I'm saying? It's funny though, every time I come out here, I always see this sign. It always makes me laugh a little bit. Say there's rattlesnakes in the area, so be nice to them, I guess. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy shit. How you doing? Back to it, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing to do it but to do it. Get some nature in your life. China man who just blessed me with some spirits, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody giving you nothing, man. That's my one message. You want it, you gotta go get it. And that's what I'm doing. Mess with your guy. Let's go. Let's get it. Trying to be a doctor, dentist, musician, producer, do it. Focus on it, go get it. Only person keeping you from getting to your goals is yourself. Don't let yourself be the hater, man. Let the haters be the haters. Go get it. Just got to the crib, you know what I'm saying? About to get it popping one time in here watching one of my favorite shows, Billions. Y'all check it out. I think it's on Netflix or Spectrum or something. Had a productive day. Now let's make it more productive. Let's take it to the moon, baby. It's your boy. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. You see where we at, man? We in the lab. Let's go. What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your boy Disell back in the lab, man. I found this little sample. I was like, man, let me try to flip that. I quantized it a little bit, trimmed it, took the octave up about 2, maybe 3. Hey. Hey. Then we throw the hats in there, man. I'm gonna show y'all a trick real quick, you know what I'm saying? If you use the note repeat, it brings you up the sections if you want to use 1/8, 1/16, 1/16T, or 132, right? So 132, a little bit too fast, right? Gives you that bounce. You can hold it, right? And then so that's how you get the hats bouncing, you know what I mean? So let me let y'all hear the drums real quick one time. It's real simple, man. It's like 4 tracks on the drums, man. And then the other thing I added behind it, man, a little bit of melody, you know what I'm saying? That might be the hook or something, I don't know. It's getting litty in here, you know what I'm saying? It's getting litty. We're gonna see where this go. It's your boy, it's Easy, producer, LA, let's go. Sometimes I gotta fall back on all the instruments, man, and just try to make it simple, get the bones of the beat put together. I throw it in Pro Tools for the master, that's when you're gonna see me add that magic to it. But right now, it's solid. Lego. It's your boy, man. Just had to show y'all a quick day in the life out here in LA. Hopefully y'all found some entertainment in what I do. Just a guy trying to get on out here like everybody else. Stay motivated. If you don't go get it, ain't nobody gonna get it for you. So go get it. I don't wait for nothing, man. I go make it happen. Here in LA, making moves, swimming around the city, swimming through the sharks, you know what I'm saying? Trying not to get bit. If I can do it, you can do it. Y'all hear my story soon, man. But for now, signing off. Subscribe to your boy, share for your boy. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.